Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Naz English Pods. I'm your host, and today I'm going to share something very powerful with you. It's a simple daily routine that takes only 10 minutes. Yes, just 10 minutes a day. And trust me, if you follow this consistently, it can completely improve your English fluency. Your speaking will become smoother. Your sentences will come more naturally. And you will start feeling confident every time you speak English. It may sound simple, but simple does not mean weak. This method is practical, effective, and proven. Many successful language learners use this exact type of routine to move from "I understand English, but I can't speak" to "I speak clearly and naturally." So, if you're ready, let's begin. Why 10 minutes a day works. When people think about improving English, they imagine long classes, heavy grammar books, and difficult exercises. But the truth is different. Your brain learns languages better through short, regular practice, not long and irregular study sessions. Your brain needs daily exposure to English. Even 10 focus minutes every day can be more powerful than one long class per week.
Why?
Because daily contact keeps your brain in English mode. It helps you connect words faster. It makes phrases easier to remember. And it builds confidence naturally. 10 minutes may seem small, but in 1 month, that becomes 300 minutes, which is 5 full hours of focused English practice. That's powerful. The real goal of this routine. Many learners focus only on knowledge. They want to know grammar rules. They want to memorize vocabulary.
They want to pass exams.
But fluency is not about knowing. It's about using. The goal of this 10-minute routine is simple: to make English feel natural, to make speaking automatic, to help you stop translating in your mind and start thinking directly in English. And the best part? You don't need a teacher. You don't need a classroom. You don't need expensive courses. You can do this anywhere, at home, in the park, in your kitchen, or even while traveling on a bus. The 10-minute plan, 5 simple steps. Now let me break these 10 minutes into 5 easy steps. You can follow them exactly as they are. The most important rule is do them every single day. Step 1. Listening, 2 minutes. Choose something simple in English. It can be a short podcast, a YouTube clip, or a small dialogue. Pick something you understand at least 80%. Don't worry about understanding every word. Just listen carefully. While listening, do not translate. Focus on how the words sound. Notice the rhythm and pronunciation. This trains your ears and prepares your brain for speaking. Pro tip: use the same short audio for 1 week. Repetition builds fluency much faster than always changing material. Step 2. Speak out loud, 2 minutes. Now it's your turn to speak. Take some sentences from what you listen to and repeat them out loud. Copy the pronunciation. Copy the speed. Copy the tone. It may feel uncomfortable at first. That's normal. Remember, speaking is a physical skill, just like riding a bicycle or playing an instrument. The more you move your mouth in English, the more natural it becomes. Don't focus on mistakes. Fluency grows from repetition, not perfection. Step 3. Personalize, 2 minutes. Now make the sentences about your life. For example, if you heard, "I usually wake up early," you can say, "I usually wake up at 6:30. Or, "I don't wake up early on weekends." This step is very important. It changes passive learning into active speaking. When English connects to your real life, you remember it much longer. Step 4. Free speaking, 2 minutes. Now speak freely without reading or copying anything. Talk about your day. Describe your room. Explain your plans for tomorrow. The topic is not important. Continuity is important. Speak for 2 full minutes without stopping. At the beginning, you may speak slowly. That's okay. The goal is flow, not speed. With daily practice, your words will come faster and more naturally. Step 5. Reflect 2 minutes. In the last 2 minutes, reflect on your practice. Ask yourself, which sentences felt easy? Which words were difficult? Where did I make mistakes? You don't have to write everything down.
Just think about it.
This reflection helps your brain organize what you learned and prepares you for tomorrow. Then repeat the same process the next day, and the next day, and the next. Can 10 minutes really make a difference? Yes, and here's why. First, repetition builds confidence. When you repeat language daily, it becomes automatic. Second, consistency improves memory. Your brain remembers better with small, regular practice. Third, daily speaking trains your brain to think and talk at the same time. And fourth, personalization makes learning meaningful. The real secret is not what you do. The secret is how consistently you do it. 3 common mistakes. Mistake number 1, skipping days. Fluency needs daily contact. If you stop for weeks, you lose momentum. Solution: even if you're busy, practice for 5 minutes. Something is better than nothing. Mistake number 2, waiting for perfection. If you wait until your grammar is perfect, you will never speak. Focus on progress, not perfection. Mistake number 3, practicing without interest. If your practice feels boring, your brain will not stay engaged.
Choose topics you enjoy.
Talk about your hobbies, dreams, and goals. Make English personal. Final words. So, my friends, the secret is simple. It's not a magic app. It's not a complicated grammar rule. It's not an expensive course. It's just 10 minutes a day. Listen.
Speak.
Personalize. Free talk. Reflect. If you follow this for 1 week, you will feel improvement. If you continue for 1 month, others will notice. And if you stay consistent for 6 months, your fluency will dramatically improve. Language is not built in classrooms alone. It grows in small daily moments, at home, during a walk, or even while brushing your teeth. So start today. Set a timer for 10 minutes and begin. Thank you for watching Naz English Pods. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.